Good morning, Year 7. Welcome to Assembly. I was delighted to receive a message this week from Good Court, the care home in Lydney, telling me how delighted a number of the residents are there to have received letters and phone calls from Year 7s at the Dean Academy, checking up on them, saying hello, and just bringing a little bit of sunshine into their lives. We've really made a difference to some people's lives at the moment, and that made me feel incredibly proud of those who are taking part. So well done. If you've not volunteered yet, but you're interested, go for it. If you're looking to get in contact with somebody, please send me an email and I'd be delighted to put you in touch. Well done to those of you who are being heroes. I wanted to talk this morning about another hero. Now, as our School Heroes project shows, there's potentially so many heroes around at the moment. The millions of healthcare workers, supermarket workers, drivers, all of these people who are keeping us safe, keeping us looked after, keeping us well fed during these difficult times. They're all heroes. But I guess there's one hero who really springs to mind, one story that I'm sure loads of you are following. And that would be the amazing Captain Tom Moore, who celebrated his 100th birthday last week. Now, Captain Moore, he was promoted for what he did. Those who haven't followed the story, Captain Moore decided he wanted to do his little bit, and so he would walk up and down his garden 100 times. He was 99 years old. Now, his original aim was to try and raise £1,000 for the NHS to do his little bit to support our country during this difficult time. But the story got bigger and bigger and bigger. And the more people that saw it, the more excited they got. And to date, he's raised over £33 million. But he's not just raised money, he's brought hope to people. He's brought a smile to people's faces. And I was thinking for Assembly this morning, what can we all learn from Captain Moore? Now, we don't all going to be the famous hero. We're not all going to earn millions and millions of pounds for charity. But I think there's one amazing lesson that we can take from Captain Moore that really applies to a number of conversations that I've been having with students and parents over the last few weeks. Now, you are 5 weeks into your homeschooling now, and it's difficult. I'm sure a lot of you are realising how much easier it is when you're at school. You can speak to your friends and ask them if you're confused. You can speak with your teacher. When you're at home, it's difficult working it out on your own. And I know that for lots of you, that's been a really stressful experience. And I want those of you who are struggling with schoolwork to take a lesson from Captain Tom. And that lesson is this: do what you can do the best that you can do, but don't do too much. I want to make sure that you're all learning at the moment, and I want to make sure that you're occupied and making progress. But your work shouldn't be making you stressed out. If it's too much, if it's too tricky, then you need to, I guess, some tasks you can't do. That's okay. When we're back at school, there'll be lots of time to catch up, so you don't need to be getting stressed about it. Just make sure that you're doing your best. I guess Captain Tom, he decided he was going to walk up and down his garden 100 times. That was what he could manage. If he'd have tried to if he'd have decided he was going to walk up his garden once, well, okay, great, but it's not a massive effort. If he decided he was going to walk up and down his garden 1,000 times, well, that's going to be dangerous. He's an elderly man, and pushing yourself too hard is dangerous. I want you, like Captain Tom, make sure you're doing as much as you can without trying to do more than you can manage. If you can do that, then I'm sure that during this time you're going to make perfect progress. I hope that you all have a good week this week, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next Monday.